It's an unprecedented assault on graft, and leading it is Arvind Kejriwal. Living up to his no-nonsense image of an anti-corruption crusader, the Delhi Chief Minister held a press conference today and announced on live TV that he would be sacking one of his ministers. Kejriwal told a packed press conference that his minister had been stung, demanding a bribe from a builder. Kejriwal says the sacking was necessary and was necessitated by the fact the minister had betrayed his office and the faith of the leadership. Now he's lobbed a grenade at the other parties, asking the BJP and daring the BJP to take action against their own graft-tainted netas, not to forget the Congress party, where Veerbhadra Singh is their weak point.
हमारे पास आई कंप्लेंट और उसके बेसिस पे हम लोगों ने उसको एसेस किया और 24 घंटे के अंदर कल कंप्लेंट आई थी, रात भर बैठ के हम लोगों ने इसका असेसमेंट किया है और आज हम निर्णय ले रहे हैं कि हम उनको मंत्री पद से हटा रहे हैं। आसिम साहब को, इस कंप्लेंट को सीबीआई को हम रेफर कर रहे हैं और इमरान साहब को उनकी जगह नया मंत्री रखने जा रहे हैं और ये निर्णय बहुत दुख के साथ मुझे लेना पड़ रहा है
कि जिस पार्टी के मंत्री अपराधियों की तरह भागते फिर रहे हों, जिन पार्टी के मंत्रियों ने कि फर्जी डिग्री के रैकेट में संलिप्तता का प्रसंग आया हो और भी अन्य प्रकार की बातें, उन लोगों को कम से कम अब राजनीति में शुचिता, विश्वसनीयता और प्रामाणिकता पर प्रवचन देना बंद कर देना चाहिए।
What is shocking is that this is the second minister in Arvind Kejriwal's cabinet, which means 1/3 of his cabinet is already down on corruption charges, and still there are no signs of Lokpal or Lokayukta. So Aam Aadmi Party, which was created on pretext of removing corruption, 1/3 of its cabinet has been removed on corruption charges, and still there are no signs of Lokpal or Lokayukta. He is taking high moral grounds just on the basis that before CBI could announce, he has announced it. CBI, this matter was already seized by the CBI, and he is taking high moral ground because he has announced it before the media, before the CBI could.
No, he wants to prove that he came on the plank that there will be zero tolerance of corruption, and I think he's proving that without any basis. He just wants to prove it, and that's it. Candidates that he picked up, were they like this, or have they turned so immediately? After all, every party picks up candidates. No party has, within 6 or 8 months, you've got 3 ministers who you've had to remove. So that means there's somewhere some flaw between your action and what you say.
All right, joining us to discuss the developments of the day, R.P. Singh, National Secretary of the BJP, and Raghav Chadha, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, on the phone line. First to you, Mr. Singh, this move, of course, needs to be condoned by everyone. At least there is some action when, in a day where graft-tainted netas, even if the graft is amounting to crores, continue sticking to their post. You did mention to me earlier that you appreciated, but you had riders.
I still say that the more information which has come, that this case was already in process with CBI. To save himself, to save his skin, Mr. Kejriwal did this. One. Now, secondly, more than that, his PS, Mr. Jinder Kumar, is already involved in a scam of crores of computer scam, and which is already with CBI, and that man has privacy to every file, every secret file, every important file of government of Delhi, but he has not taken any action against him. Why doesn't he sack Jinder Kumar right now?
Okay.
There's a case already with CBI pending.
Okay.
CBI is already inquiring the case of scam. And thirdly, allow me to complete now. And thirdly, I say further that there's a bigger thing into this, there's a bigger conspiracy. They are trying to safeguard their skin because this man was also involved in onion scam. The peels of which will come in coming days, and which will reveal in coming days, and then probably fingers would have pointed toward this man and Mr. Manish Sisodia. To safeguard their skin that time, they have sacrificed this man.
Raghav Chadha, okay, hold on. Raghav Chadha, you know what, no matter what R.P. Singh or any other politician must say right now, there is a certain first mover advantage that Arvind Kejriwal has displayed by this decision. Perceptions matter in politics. There are, of course, other charges right now. Did you expect the kind of barrage coming your way after this decision?
You see, there is a famous saying in Hindi. I will just paraphrase that. and say कि कुछ तो बीजेपी कहेगी, बीजेपी का काम है कोसना. They're in a bit of a catch-22. They cannot outrightly condemn this because it will be politically harmful. They cannot appreciate it because it will imply that they will also have to take action against their corrupt chief ministers, cabinet ministers, elected representatives. Please understand the gravity of this move. This is an unprecedented assault on on corruption. It lays down a precedent, a foundation for a corruption-free India, and clearly shows that Aam Aadmi Party and Mr. Arvind Kejriwal are, practicing what they preach. They walk their talk. We have already said that there will be zero tolerance towards corruption, and we have delivered. It is not one of the easiest things to sack one of your own sitting cabinet ministers. It's very easy for the BJP to talk about Commonwealth Games scam, Colgate and 2G, because these were done by Congress. And it's very easy for Congress to talk about Vyapam, Chikki, Bangaru Lakshman and all that.
Oh, how about onion scam?
One of your own is is a step that is being applauded by the people of
Okay,
India.
Raghav, let me ask you a follow-up question then. Mr. Singh seems to be talking about some onion scam. He also saying that the personal secretary to Kejriwal, of course, has also charges against him. Do you draw the line then when someone gives you proof or credible proof, prima facie proof, then you will take action? Because the other scams that Mr. Singh has mentioned, as far as I know, there is no credible evidence. Is that the logic? Is that the logic? A CBI case has been lodged in the onion scam as well.
You see, Mr. I have never
No,
taken
I'm
Mr.
sorry.
Singh's remarks
No,
seriously.
there is a case against
Okay, we asked him a
What
question,
credible
Mr.
evidence?
Singh.
May I please respond?
Yeah, let him answer.
Mr. Raghav Chadda,
You see, I
people
never
will
take
make
Mr.
it more
Singh-
serious
Mr.
for
Singh,
you.
we've asked your question. I've asked your question. Let him answer now.
Tell me that
I
Mr.
never
Jinder
take
Kumar
Mr. R.P.
is
Singh's
implicated in a
question
computer
seriously
scam.
or any
There is
of his
CBI inquiry
arguments
happening
because
against
he
him.
Mr. Singh, we've
He's the
asked that
personal secretary,
question.
Mr.
He
Kejriwal.
himself lacks
Why has not Mr.
credibility.
Kejriwal
Mr.
got
Singh, Mr.
contested?
Singh, I've asked that exact same question. Let him answer now. Go ahead, Raghav.
Well, Athar, I have never taken nor will I take any of the comments made by Shri R.P. Singh seriously. His comments, his allegations lack credibility. He is known for making unsubstantiated, ridiculous comments. The fact of the matter is that when it comes to acting against corruption, the Prime Minister, the BJP leaders have failed miserably. See how Vyapam scam is happening under their nose. Shivraj Singh is not being sacked. See how corruption-ridden Rajasthan government is being run by Vasundhara Raje. Nothing else.
I need to interrupt both of you right now.
I'll send you papers
In
tomorrow.
the din, we can't understand
Will
what
you show
either
that
of you are
tomorrow?
speaking. Mr.
You're
R.P. Singh,
allowing
go
a man
ahead
to
now.
say whatever you
Mr.
want to
Khan,
say.
how...
No, please. Raghav Chadda,
Sir, may I?
I request you both, please. Raghav, if you could
Sir,
just hold on for one moment.
I'm prepared to
R.P.
send you
Singh,
paper
please
tomorrow.
hold your peace, sir.
Would you show the papers against Mr. Jinder Kumar? I'm sorry.
We don't want a shouting match. Mr. Singh, please, hold on. We have callers on the line as well. Please respect the forum that you're on right now. Both of you, I request you, Raghav. Let's listen into what the Aam Janta really...
The one who is heckling,
Okay. No. Now, you be the bigger man now, please. We have a caller right now. Let's take a caller and then we'll go back to Mr. Singh. Then I'll come to Raghav. That's the equation. Let's not break it. Kalpana is the caller from Mumbai. Go ahead, Kalpana.
Hi, Akhtar. Good evening. Yes. I just want to ask Raghav Chadda, 360 pages of Sheila Dikshit just disappeared. How much will they keep doing Nautanki like this for the next 5 years? And they expect that everybody is going to go gaga over what they've been doing and what they've not been doing. Can they just govern the state of Delhi instead of doing this Nautanki every day in and out?
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Kalpana from Mumbai, of course, seems to think it's a PR stunt. Raghav, before you respond to that, let's just ask one question to Mr. Singh, then I'll come to you. Mr. Singh, you, of course, say that there's the onion scam, there's this scam, there's that scam, there's the Agarwal incident, and there's this incident and that incident. Have you published proof or provided the Aam Aadmi Party government with credible proof so they can take action? Because that's their stated line. You give us proof, we take action.
There's a CBI inquiry already happening against Mr. Jinder Kumar. CBI is already investigating that. Mr. Jinder Kumar, he is a private secretary.
Raghav, please.
I'm not saying so. Please just go to net, surf it right now. You'll come to know about it.
Okay, before I let Raghav respond to this, we have one more caller. Raghav, please hold your peace. Venu Kumar from Chennai. Go ahead, Venu.
Hello.
Venu Kumar, go ahead, please.
Yeah, what I will say is, whatever be the reason behind this purpose of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal or anything, It's a fantastic step. If somebody has the gumption to take a step to sack a sitting minister, it is setting a precedent, and I hope it snowballs into bigger volume all over the country and cleansing once for all our problem.
Right, Venu
I think
Kumar,
that's
many thanks for calling in. Venu Kumar calls it an unprecedented step. He says the gumption to fire one's own minister is rare. Surinder Singh calling from Delhi. Go ahead, Surinder.
See, in the present Congress, there are only two people which offer any hope to India. All the others are absolute rogues, and that is Kejriwal and Nitish Kumar.
All right, Surinder Singh seems to laud that step as well. One more caller from Mumbai, Sushil Bhatnagar. Go ahead, Sushil.
Yeah, good evening. This is total drama by Aam Aadmi Party. They are actually drama party. They have been, this is all totally done by them only. It's nothing. It's total drama.
All right, Sushil Bhatnagar is not buying it really. Raghav Chadha, you heard the callers right now. There seems to be a divide. Some seem to think this is a really brave act, taking a step that nobody really has taken in a while in the country, national or regional. The others think it's a PR stunt.
You see, I can't really vouch for the views put forth by the callers and who are these people, but I can certainly say this, that if anybody calls sacking of a minister on grounds of corruption or drama, then protecting rapists, rioters, thugs and corrupt people, is that Modi ji's honest politics? Is that the honest politics that BJP and the Congress do? The fact of the matter is that corruption
Mr. Tomar, what about Mr. Tomar, what about Mr. Somnath Bharti, what about Manoj Kumar?
May I please speak? You know, Akhar, I
let
do
him
not
finish. I'll come to you after,
appreciate
sir. What is the
Tomar.
point of interrupting? This is not a WWE match, sir. I'll come to you, please.
You're very selective amnesia.
No, I'll come to you, sir. Let him finish and I'll come to you, sir. Raghav, please make it quick, sir.
Yes, I don't appreciate this cacophony.
No, it's
but I
fine,
will
it's fine.
carry
Go ahead,
on.
go ahead.
You see, this corruption has eaten into the vitals of the state. During the BJP as well as during the Congress rules, you've seen pervasive misuse of public offices for private gains. Here is a party that was born out of the anti-graft movement, which has some founding principles, and we are true to our principles. And
But
today,
Raghav, there have been
I would like
incidents
to
in
say
your
this,
party
Akhar.
as well. You have to answer those questions. What
No,
about
but-
the Tomars of the world and the Bhartis of the world and the other graft charges? You have to answer that question.
Yes, please understand, there are more than 1 lakh officers, including ministers, who are functioning with the Delhi government. There are more than 1 crore members of the Aam Aadmi Party and hundreds of office bearers. Mr. Kejriwal or the party cannot vouch for the personal integrity or unimpeachability of each of them. As I've said, if there is any corruption, if there is any proof of credible proof of any act of corruption, we will take action. We are not one of those who see Vyapam and Vasundhara Raje and Chicky
so you
scam
made
and
your
Raman
point,
scam,
Raghav.
we will keep shut.
Okay,
we
Raghav.
will act, we will walk our talk. We are not here to dupe the people of
All right,
India
Raghav, you
and
said your
take
piece.
it
Now I want to go to
from
Mr.
Bharat
RP Singh.
Modi
Okay,
Sarkar
okay,
and do
Raghav
nothing.
Chadha, okay, you've said your piece. RP Singh, the argument from the Aam Aadmi Party is this, that they can't obviously vouch for the unimpeaching qualities of every worker in the party or every minister or every Sarkari worker even, but when they find corruption, they root it out. That's more than some other parties, including yours, sir, have done with your tainted netas. How do you respond to that?
Let me start with this. They said that each of our MLA has been checked. We have thoroughly scrutinized their data, everything, and then we are allotting them tickets. Their colleagues, their friend, Mr. Prashant Bhushan and other friends said that no, there are 23 of them. 23 of them who are tainted, whose degrees are fake, who are involved into criminal cases, who are involved in corrupt practices. They have not taken action against anyone. Now coming to the weapon issue, we were the one who has sent Mr. Lakshmikant Sharma to jail. Our Minister of Education is already in jail. So don't give us this. As for, and it's not a, we didn't went and chased something for this. It's their habit. They are a Notanki party. That's why they are doing so. So and further to this, how can you forget?
Hold on.
Mr. Kejriwal till date has not answered on one question. अरे वो कांग्रेस के 6 MLA ले आओ, वो मुसलमान है, वो हमारी पार्टी आ जाएंगे, हमारी सरकार बन जाएगी. If you spoke to Rajesh Garg,
Okay.
what can be bigger corruption than this in
You know,
India?
you know,
it was Mr.
we are
Kejriwal.
still
Has he
split
answered
down
till
the
date on
middle,
that
Mr.
question?
Singh.
He has not answered.
All right, we seem to be split down the middle on this one. Of course, people are appreciating a move of a chief minister to sack his minister on live TV. There are, of course, questions that remain unanswered, and those questions I'm sure the opposition will keep raising. Many thanks, Raghav, for joining us, and Mr. Singh for joining us as well. Short break right now. We'll come back with more stories. stories on the other side.
It has been a great pleasure to